Hello teachers, today I am going to walk you through how to use the IB PYP Kids with the learner profile attribute symbols in a virtual setting. In an ideal situation, we would have this resource printed out and display on the classroom wall or a magnetic tray or the whiteboard. And it's supposed to be movable, so then it's interactive with the students. However, this school year with the pandemic, we have to make adjustments. So I'm going to show you how you can use this virtually. When you open this resource up, you will see that there are samples that I have created to show you how the resource could look like. I have also created templates that you can use in your Google Classroom, in your Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Bitmoji Classroom. And if you don't like the templates, you can create your own using the avatars and the symbols. There are also different sets of learner profile attribute symbols as well. There are different colors, and then there are 4 different avatars. I have also included lesson ideas on how you can introduce the learner profile attributes to your students virtually. Personally, I'm going to be using the virtual activity number 1. So I'm going to adapt Chalk Talk into a virtual edition. We are going to go through each learner profile attribute, and the students are going to tell me what they think it means. And the reason why I'm choosing this activity is because my students are in upper elementary, so they have seen the learner profile attributes and they have heard about it before. But if this is the first time your students are going to be learning about the learner profile attributes, I would recommend activity number 2, where you would read a book and then you will go through what each learner profile attribute means. So let's look into how you can use this in your classroom. I will use this in our Monday morning meeting when we set goals for the week, and then we talk about the planner as well as which learner profile attributes what we need for this week. For example, let's say we are going to be using this template. If you have a Bitmoji Classroom or another Google Slides that you are using with your classroom, you can just you will select all, right click and copy. Then you're going to go to the Google Slides that you are using with your classroom. I'm using a Bitmoji Classroom with my class this school year. So I'm here in my Bitmoji Classroom. You can already see that I've created the learner profile page that I will be using with my students. And I already have the learner profile activity ready to go for our first week of school. But let's say I have not created any of that. I can just simply right click, create a new slide, delete everything, and then right click again, paste. There we go. And when you are using this with your student, all the items are movable. So you can move them onto your IB Kid, and then you can move them back. Now, when you come across a symbol like balance, which is a skateboard, when you put it over your IB Kid, it doesn't look very good because you're supposed to be standing on a skateboard, not the skateboard being on you. So what you can do is you can change the order of the object. So you're going to select the IB Kid, right click, order, and then click bring to front. And then voila, he is now standing on the skateboard. Since I moved the IB Kid up front, now all the symbols are going to be behind him. So I'm just going to select all the symbols and bring it to front just to make it easier. So there's 2 symbols for inquirer, and then there's 2 symbols for knowledgeable. So you don't have to use both of the symbols. Maybe you want to keep the glasses, but you don't want to use the book, or maybe you want to use the magnifying glass, so you can just simply delete the other symbol, or you can keep both. The choice is yours. So that is how you can use the IB PYP Kids with the learner profile attribute symbols. If you come up with a new template or your own way to use this, I would really love to see your creation. If you post them on Instagram, please tag me. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms to get updates on freebies and future products. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the resource. Bye-bye.